Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl CheKesha Simms, and today I will be doing an unboxing of my sub box by Cloth and Paper. So if you want to see which month sub box this is and what all the contents are, keep watching. Alright love, so before I open up this box, if this is your first time tuning in, make sure you do me a big favor and drop me a purple heart in the comments box. That way I know that you are new. And as well, go ahead and click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you will always be notified anytime I upload a new video. And if you have already hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, I need you to go ahead and reset your notification bell right now if you haven't already done so. The reason being is just to make sure that you are receiving all of your alerts anytime I upload a new video or go live. And all you need to do is just hit the bell off and then hit it back on and you should be okay. So let's go ahead and get into today's video. You guys, so this is a sub box, the only sub box that I get every month from Cloth and Paper, and I really wanted to share this one with you because most of the contents that are in here should still be available in her shop. Cloth and Paper is a locally owned business here in Richmond, Virginia, but she is worldwide and internationally known for her amazing, luxurious stationery items as well as pens. So this is just the stationery box. I did used to get the sub box with the pens, but I have way too many pens, guys, like for real. I have to know when enough is enough. But with all that being said, I want to share the contents in this box because again, it may be some items in here that will be perfect for you for your 2022 planner lineup. All right, so I have already opened it, but I wanted to kind of let you see how it comes packaged. She always has this amazing white tissue paper. Sometimes she may have like some tissue paper that has decorative things on there, but for the most part, you're gonna always get nice, clean, simplistic, but still luxurious packaging. And then she has this sticker on here, and typically I just slide stuff out, but we're gonna go ahead and just rip it open. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out so you won't hear all the noise. All right, so these are all the contents that are in the sub box. Now this was actually in plastic, but you know I had to look at it before I showed it to you all. Like when I get her sub boxes, I have to look at it immediately. So in every sub box you do get a reference card that will visually show you everything that comes in the box. And one thing that I do want to point out is you can pick the sizes. So I have a mini HP planner, so all of my inserts or dashboards that come in the sub box are always tailored to that particular planner. She has all different sizes from, I believe, pocket all the way to classic happy planner size. And if you want to get more than one sub box for each one of the planners that you have, that's your prerogative and that is your coins, okay? But I just get the mini. But typically sometimes she has like some exclusive items that come in the sub box, and like this time we actually got a planner that I'm super excited about. And I'm also excited about all of these things. So let's get into the small things. Well, nothing's really small, but the planner is the star of this show. So let's go ahead and get into all the other things that are in this box first. All right, so the first thing that we have are the journaling credit card size clear transparent credit card. It also has a self-care card in the back of it, along with another type of card. So she always puts these in the sub boxes, what she has been recently. So let's go ahead and just open this up so you can see all the contents in this package. Okay, so here is the credit card size monthly transparent card, and I love these because I like to just pop them in my on-the-go planner, so I can always have this available. Then the next one that you have is a future like self-care card. So on here it just says do everything for you. For your future self. So this is just like a little card to remind you to do everything for your future self. Nothing on the back, but nice little like journaling or pocket card that you can put in your planner or set on your desk. The next thing is this card right here, and I love this because I actually have the planner cover like this that came in one of her sub boxes, but on the back it has your evening routine, so you can put the time that you do your evening routine and the particular habits that you want to include in those routines. Then you have your morning routine card as well, and as you can see it has M for morning and E for evening. And then this is just another type of journaling card. Clairvoyance is the word. I love that she always kind of like gives you word or phrases that are helping you motivate and stay positive and just help you towards, whatever it is that you're working toward. All right, so the next items are all dashboards. 2 of these are going to go for my mini planner, and then this one is actually a pocket folder that you can insert in the planner that she gives to you in this particular kit. So this is a nice, and it's going to go nice in my 2022 planner, so y'all will be seeing this again. So this is like a building, and then she has a quote from Gil Scott Heron. It says, you have to change your mind before you can change the way you live or the way you move. Woo! That's a good statement. And so this is another dashboard. I don't know how I'm feeling about the green writing on here. It almost reminds me of, those bags, like them Birkin bags that says, I'm as fake as this Birkin. Like, I don't know how I'm feeling about that, but I love what it says. Your only limit is your mind. And then it has like a self-respect definition here, and then I guess this is like a quote from somebody else. But this is nice. I just don't like the green. And so this is the pocket folder, and I will show you how we'll pop it in the planner once I get to the planner. So I'm gonna just set this to the side. All right, so the next thing are these matte transparent, they're matte and transparent semicircle sticky notes, and I'm liking the green. I'm not a big transparent sticky note person. Only reason is because you got to have a specific pen so it won't smear, and I do have pens that you can use, but when I'm using my sticky notes I want to be able to just grab a gel pen, any kind of gel pen, and write. But they are nice to use as like decorative stickers where you don't have to necessarily use them, because I have a lot of stickers that I put, sticky notes that I put on my inbox and stuff. I don't really use them, but they're there for the aesthetic. So this will be a nice aesthetic to use in your planners. All right, so the last thing that came, well, not the last thing, but the last thing I'm going to show you before the planner, you get this planner sticker sheet that will also go inside of that planner that came with the sub box. And this is 146 stickers, and it's just one sheet, and it has, important things that most planners use. So you have your important stickers, to do, reminder, email, meeting, calls, payday, and then you have some icons with some teardrop and circle stickers. And I don't know if these are transparent or not. They don't look like it, but I like these too because you can use these to put on your divider tabs, to create an actual sub tab to your planner. So I really like these, and this is in the beignet color. I really like these, and these are actually transparent, and which I still really like, because again, if you want to use these on your tabs, they will be perfectly sized for your tabs. And if you need to, they're not as big as the actual square looks. It's a little free. That's just a little space. So as you can see, these are small enough to fit on your tabs. All right, y'all, so let's get into this planner. 2022, that's all I'm saying, like 2022. So when I got this planner, I was like, oh my gosh, how am I going to use this planner? So at first I offered it to my husband because he is into planners, but more of just for writing. He don't decorate, do no stickers, none of that stuff. He just got a pen, he write. And I figured it looked masculine enough where, you know, he could use it, but he didn't want it, so that means I gotta find some use out of it. So this is the spiral bound planner, and I'm typically not a spiral girl, but I like the fact that the spirals aren't big, so when I go to write, it shouldn't be too many issues with the side. So it does have the little film on the top to protect it, but let me just show you, see if I can pull the film off so you can see, because it's like the glass covers that she has. So it's like that glass kind of cover, but we're gonna leave it on here for now. So you have the 2022 vellum over top of it, and then this just says planner, and it goes into, you know, talking about some educational information that you can, you know, read at your leisure. It has like a quote from quite a few different people, so it looks like it's a lot of different quotes. So you has your regular, this planner belongs to, holidays observed, conversions. I really like this because so often I'm looking for recipes and it's always in milliliters, and sometimes I want to know what is the conversion in like tablespoons and cups. So this is really, really good. Your distance, your weight, and then another quote. This is from Jim Rohan. And then you have notes on the back, and then you have your first month. So I'm not going to really show you all the months because they're all pretty much the same layout. But here's where you put your goals, whatever you want to do for the month of January, any important dates, any bills that are due. Like, this planner is really all you need for real. And then you have your monthly layout. And then you have another side bar over here. I like the fact that she has the month before and the upcoming month at the top. And she does have the holidays already pre-filled in here. And then this is the vertical layout, in which I really love. I really love. So you have your month here, and then it tells you the first day of the month, and it tells you what the week is for. So this whole layout is for December 27th through January the 2nd. And then you have a couple of lines here, so you can allow this to be like your top priorities, or you can put, you know, what bills are due. You can do however. So anyway, so each week, same layout, nothing different. Then when you get to the back, you have a notes page. And so again, at the beginning of every insert, you have a quote, or not even really a quote, like a whole mini novel on the front page. Same layout. So then let's go all the way to the back. So when you get to the back, you have your contacts. And y'all know I love a contact section in my planner. Like I said, I'm old school, but I love to have a contact section in the back of my planners. And then it's just this hard piece on the back. And so what you can do is, this is the folder. It's a clear folder, and you can pop it in anywhere that you want. I'm gonna just put it here. Perfectly fit. And then with the little stickers, oh, and I didn't show y'all this. This is the year at a glance. She always has a year at a glance. So that was in between the holidays. So I think I may pop these here. Just because there's nothing right here. And you know what? I'm actually going to switch this. And this is a one-sided pocket. It's not two sides. And if you have a hole punch that can punch in these sizes, You can definitely make like your own dashboards or inserts to put inside of this. I'm pretty sure since she has this available, she'll probably have some spiral dashboards or something like that to put your planners in. But this is cool. So just, you know, nice little pocket. You can put whatever you want in the pocket. And then on the other side of this reference card I didn't show you, it does break down everything that she has in the box. Like, this is the visual side and this is the written side. But this planner right here, I think I might end up using this for my social media planner. I don't know, y'all, but I cannot let this planner go to waste. I cannot. So in the comments below, let me know what you would do with this planner. I do have one more planner to show you from our 2022 planner lineup. Yes, one more planner. I am downsizing the amount of planners, but I'm making that last one very functional. So that video should be coming very soon. But in the comments below, let me know what I should use this for. If I should use it for my content creating for YouTube and tracking my social media, or whether just to decorate in it, let me know. But this planner is so gorgeous, I cannot not use it. So okay, you guys, so that is it. Again, if you have any suggestions on how I should use this planner for 2022, please leave it in the comments box, along with any other questions that you have. And as well, I do have a code for cloth and paper that you can use for shipping. And also check out her subscription boxes. She has a lot of different varieties. You can do the Pinspiration, which is just pins. You can do the stationery. You can do the stationery and the pins. You can kind of put it together however you want. But I love cloth and paper. I know a lot of you do. Most of us probably, if we don't have subscriptions, this is at least the only one that we have. All of her stuff is quality, and I'm not saying that just because I know her, but her stuff is really good quality. Like, I seen it on Let's Make a Deal. Like, she even made TV, okay? But anyway, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and go, and if you have enjoyed this video, do me a big favor and give me a big old thumbs up. And as well, if you haven't done so at this point, click that subscribe button and that notification bell. So until next time, loves, peace.